Hello everyone, welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in today's morning assembly means 6th of November. National news PM Modi met Women's World Cup winners, praised their fighting spirit. Maharashtra became first state to partner with Starlink for satellite based internet services. Third Maritime Information Sharing Workshop concluded in Gurugram. Election Commission launch International Election Visitors Program 2025 in New Delhi. IMD forecasted rain in South India. Temperature dip expected in North. Delhi air quality remained poor. Over 25 lakh people adopted face authentication for digital life certificate. Union Minister Jitendra Singh. International news. Chhattisgarh's fortified rice reach Papua New Guinea, showcasing India's food expertise. India Portugal reviewed bilateral ties across trade, defense, and culture in Lisbon talks. Bangladesh garment export fall for third month amid US tariff pressure. Russian president announced development of next generation nuclear powered cruise missiles. And now sports news. FIDE World Cup 2025. Yukesh Pragnananda lead India's charge in round 2 at Goa. Haryana Olympic Association launched state level from soil to medal Kabaddi tournament. BCCI announced 15-man squad for test series against South Africa. Abhishek Sharma and Varun Chakravarti occupied top spots in ICC Men's T20 rankings. Business related news. Tesla appointed Sharad Agrawal as India head. City Union Bank profit rose 15% to 329 crore rupees in quarter 2. Agritech is a big part of FTA negotiations with India, New Zealand Trade Minister Macleay. And that's all in news. Thank you.